The 2026 Volkswagen TROC makes its entrance as a stylish compact SUV that blends practicality with modern European flair. From the moment you approach it, the updated design language is unmistakable. The sharper lines, slimmer LED matrix headlights, and bolder grille give it a confident stance that looks more premium than ever before. Volkswagen has refined the proportions just enough to strike a balance between sportiness and elegance, making it stand out in a competitive segment without going over the top. The redesigned alloy wheels and the subtle use of chrome accents complement its fresh look, while the slightly more sculpted rear end with updated taillights adds a refined finishing touch. Stepping inside, you immediately notice Volkswagen's push toward a more digital and high-tech cabin experience. The centerpiece is the new 12.9-inch infotainment system, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard with improved graphics, faster response times, and intuitive software. Paired with the updated 10.25-inch digital cockpit, the interior feels like it belongs to a higher class of vehicle. Soft-touch materials, contrast stitching, and customizable ambient lighting all work together to make the cabin inviting. Volkswagen has also improved seat comfort, offering new ergonomic designs that provide great support on long journeys. Space in the rear seats is adequate for adults, and the cargo area remains practical for families who need flexibility. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 TROC, and Volkswagen has ensured it keeps pace with modern expectations. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium Harman Kardon audio system on higher trims. Voice control is sharper and more conversational, making it easy to adjust settings without distraction. Driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and the latest version of Travel Assist brings semi-autonomous driving capabilities that add peace of mind in daily commutes or long highway drives. Safety has also been upgraded with enhanced sensors and predictive crash prevention systems. Under the hood, Volkswagen continues to offer a versatile powertrain lineup. The standard models are powered by efficient turbocharged petrol and diesel engines, optimized for lower emissions and better fuel economy. For those who want more excitement, the TROCR returns with a spirited 2.0-liter turbo delivering around 300 horsepower, combined with 4-motion all-wheel drive for excellent traction and agility. New for 2026, Volkswagen introduces a mild hybrid option, pairing a small electric motor with the petrol engine for smoother acceleration and improved efficiency. While not a full EV, it bridges the gap for drivers seeking greener mobility without sacrificing convenience. On the road, the TROC impresses with its composed handling and ride comfort. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps with ease, making city driving smooth and effortless. When pushed on twisty roads, the steering feels precise and confidence-inspiring, especially with the 4-motion system in play. The noise insulation has been improved, cutting down on wind and road noise for a more refined experience. In the sportier trims, dynamic chassis control allows drivers to switch between comfort and sport modes, tailoring the drive to personal preference. The TROCR in particular feels athletic, with quick acceleration and sharp cornering that rivals some hot hatches while maintaining SUV practicality. Practicality remains one of the TROC's strongest points. The cabin offers generous storage spaces, from deep door bins to a redesigned center console with wireless charging pads and multiple USB-C ports. The rear seats fold flat, making it easy to carry larger items. Volkswagen has cleverly designed the boot to offer a flat-loading floor, making it functional for everything from grocery runs to weekend adventures. The split-folding rear bench adds flexibility, ensuring the TROC adapts well to a variety of lifestyles. Fuel efficiency figures are competitive for its class, with the mild hybrid option delivering particularly impressive numbers. Volkswagen's focus on sustainability also extends to the use of recycled materials in parts of the cabin, showcasing its commitment to eco-friendly practices. For urban drivers, the compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver and park, while the elevated driving position provides excellent visibility. These small but meaningful touches ensure that the TROC continues to appeal to a wide range of buyers. The customization options are also worth noting. Volkswagen offers the TROC in a variety of vibrant exterior colors, two-tone roof finishes, and interior trim packages, allowing customers to truly personalize their SUV. The R-Line trim adds sporty accents, while the TROCR delivers an aggressive body kit and performance-inspired details inside. Whether you're looking for sophistication, sportiness, or a mix of both, there's a TROC configuration that fits. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen TROC demonstrates how Volkswagen has evolved the compact SUV to remain competitive while staying true to its strengths. It's stylish, comfortable, practical, and now more technologically advanced than ever before. The driving experience is balanced and refined, with options to satisfy both efficiency-focused buyers and performance enthusiasts. Its blend of everyday usability, premium features, and modern design makes it a strong contender in its class. If you're considering a compact SUV that doesn't compromise on style, tech, or driving dynamics, the 2026 Volkswagen TROC deserves a place at the top of your shortlist. It successfully merges German engineering with everyday practicality, offering a package that feels both forward-looking and timeless. Whether you're a city driver, a family on the go, or someone who enjoys a spirited weekend drive, this latest TROC adapts to your needs while delivering a confident and enjoyable ownership experience.